As many as 200,000 children may be injured on playgrounds this year. Troubled by the high rates of playground injuries, Professor of Health Education Brian Geiger and Assistant Professor of Physical Education Sandra Sims, along with their physical and health education students, developed the plan to make play areas safer.
So together we visited 52 different playgrounds and did 153 assessments for development of a tool that would be easy for students or parents or school officials to administer and begin to identify hazards in need of correction.
The tool is a basic checklist that assesses the safety of a playground or gymnasium.
The actual tool that we use looks at the entire gym surface, everything around it, including the locker rooms, and it's an area, and I've seen just about everything possibly that could be, could actually be out there for safety problems. But I think the biggest thing is we want to make sure if we see it, that we report it, because I know schools want a safe environment, and I think administrators, if they're shared this information, they would help us with it.
This would be an example of a nice early elementary sliding board. It has places for the child to grip as they're seated and going down the slide, and this barrier is actually planned this way so a child can't walk down the slide. There are about 34 questions on the playground assessment. Again, not everyone applies to every setting. Our intent is to make it available to anyone without fee so that they can begin that discussion maybe at a PTA or PTO meeting. We also want to make sure the facilities that we depend on for our children to be active are safe, and that is a primary parent responsibility. Parents are the ones who need to look out for their children's welfare.
The checklists take around 20 minutes to complete and are available at no cost on the UAB Center for Educational Accountability website.